So today I'm going to show you a very cool program which looks like start menu, which is here. This is called sTabLaucher. You can get it by going to this link. And then if you go to downloads, you want to pick the latest version which is on the top. It also requires this, so you need to download it if you don't have it. So it takes some time. Once it's downloaded, you want to run it. I have it on my other screen so you can see it. If you press next, I don't particularly like babbling, so I don't want it, so you can pick whether you want it or not. It's basically like Google Translate. You want to make sure that's in program files, and then press next until finishing installing. As you can see, my desktop is quite messy, so we're going to clean it up with this program. It's been successfully installed, so it says I need to check the Windows update, but I did run this morning because it wanted some updates. So when you first open it, it will ask what language you want. Then on top of your screen you should see this. Then you can basically add new items or separators or whatever you want. So I'm going to show you how to use it. If you right click a tab that already exists, like internet, you can go to the properties. In the properties you can change the style, the color, and so on. If you go through them, you will see different styles on here, so you can customize it however you want. I think I'm going to pick the top one, this one. As you can see, only one side is done, so you need to do the same to the other. As you can see, now it's rounded, but for internet I want maybe this changed. Now I want plain. I wanted maybe green. Yeah, and that's fine. If you press OK, you can also rename it. So instead of internet, you might want to call it I don't know, programs, and then have all of your programs here, like my computer, which now Windows Explorer. You can remove it, and then once you have it here, you can delete it from your desktop. And so it's properly working. You want to add it to your startup, which I'm not going to show you how to do it. The way you add new tabs is go to not option, new item. No, that's how you add something that's not on your desktop or somewhere. You can find it by going to find target and so on, which I'm going to do in a second, then show it to you how it looks. You can also move it around so it's closer together or further apart. You can also add separators, so if you have, let's say in programs, you might want to have internet stuff, then you might want to have a separator, and then have like Microsoft Office programs. The way you add a new tab is simply by going to options, then tabs, and then add. Then you can make it from beginning. So let's have, I don't know, recording. And maybe I wanted, let's say orange. It's right. I want to have it round, maybe. And yeah, puzzles. You can change the fonts. So I don't know. We might want what's my favorite font? Is it this? Nope. Basically, you can change any font and other things. If you go to behavior, you can change what happens if you like go over or when it needs to hide. So you might want to have it open quite fast so you don't have to wait. For hiding, you might want to wait a bit longer so it doesn't go off when you try to drag and drop. You can also change animation of how it appears. Like drawer is like you see it now, so it goes up and down. And also add plugins from the website or forums. And you can change it if you have a slower computer or want some other things. So now I'm going to set it up for myself and then be back to show it to you. Alright, I finished my little one. It's like that. I picked the curved edge one. And when I talked about deleting before, where you can delete icons, I didn't mean literally delete them. I meant to like hide them by going to right clicking, then arrange icons and show desktop icons. Then all of them should disappear and you have a nice clear desktop with only this and your start menu. Although if you want to only have some folders in the desktop, you could potentially have all of them in one folder somewhere, like in your documents, then just copy them from there. And then manually automatically adds sTabLaucher to the Windows starter thing. So I don't think we have to do it. But if you run Windows 10 like this thing, this program is really needed. You already kind of have it on your start menu. So it looks like that. Goodbye.